gonna solve the heat problem to calculate whether it takes more energy to boil the 50.0 gram of the water, which is already at the 100 degree, or to heat up to 50.0 gram of the water from the 0 degree up to the 100 degree. What can we do first? So we have to do the first things is to set up the equation of the heat problem. So this thing we should memorize is really important of this heat problem. And then we heat equal to mass multiply the specific heat multiply the temperature change. So we can get the data from the question. So from the question we get the mass of the water. Mass of the water is equal to 50.0 gram, and for the specific heat of the water, how can we get it? In this point, we should memorize it. This is really important to memorize for the specific heat of the water. It's equal to 1 cam per gram per degree. And to boil the 50.0 gram of the water, which already at the 100, so we get the temperature change is from this thing. So final degree minus the first degree is equal to 0. Because they already at the 100 degree at first, so final degree is the 100 degree minus the first degree 100 degree, so that we get the 0 degree for the temperature change. For the calculator, we get the answer is 50.0 grams multiply 1 cam per gram per degree multiply 0 degree, we get the 0 cam. So how about to heat up the 50.0 gram of the water from 0 degree up to the 100 degree? It's similar from this question. So we start the first way. We have to set up the equation two way, and then we also get the mass of the water is 50.0 gram, and the specific heat of the water is 1 cam per gram per degree. However, we change the data of the temperature degree, change the temperature change. So we get the second temperature change is final degree minus the first degree. Final degree is 100 degree minus the first degree is 0 degree. So we got the answer is 100 degree. So for this equation, we do calculate it, and the answer should be the heat, the energy. The energy should be equal to the 50.0 gram multiply 1 cam per gram per degree, and multiply 100 degrees. So we get the 500 gram. So in the last thing, we should be notify the suffix. How many suffix on this case? 50.0 gram. They have the 3 suffix. This is the except. And this is 100 degree. It has 1 suffix. So finally, we got the 1 suffix for the 5,000 gram. So in the conclusion, we compare the two energy they use. So to boil, heat it up 50.0 gram of the water from 0 degree up to the 100 degree, it leaves the more energy than to boil the 50.0 gram of the water, which is already at the 100. So this is the answer. Thank you guys.